On March 2025, Turkey's defense sector marked a significant milestone with the successful cruise test of the Bayraktar KEMANKEŞ, a domestically developed mini-cruise missile designed for integration with unmanned aerial. This achievement underscores Turkey's accelerating strides in advanced weaponry, positioning it as a formidable player in the global arms market and reinforcing its strategic autonomy amid a complex regional landscape. The Bayraktar KEMANKEŞ, named after the Turkish word for archer, is a lightweight, jet-powered cruise missile engineered to enhance the lethality of WAV platforms. Weighing approximately 30 kilograms, the missile measures 1.8 meters in length with a wingspan of 1.2 meters when its foldable wings deploy, optimizing storage within drone payloads. Its propulsion system, a compact turbojet engine developed by Turkey's Kale Arge, delivers a thrust of around 50 kilograms, enabling speeds exceeding 600 kilometers per hour and a cruising altitude of 18,000 feet. The missile's operational range extends to 200 kilometers, facilitated by an efficient fuel system and aerodynamic design, allowing it to strike targets far beyond the line of sight of its launching platform. Central to the KEMANKEŞ's capabilities is its artificial intelligence-driven guidance system. Equipped with an electro-optical seeker and inertial navigation, the missile can autonomously adjust its flight path, identify targets, and execute precision strikes with a reported circular error probable of less than 5 meters. Its warhead, weighing approximately 6 kilograms, is configurable for high explosive or fragmentation effects, tailored to neutralize armored vehicles, fortifications, or personnel clusters. The system integrates seamlessly with Baker's UAVs, such as the Bayraktar TB2 and Akinci, via a standardized launch rail, enabling operators to deploy it from altitudes up to 20,000 feet. The KEMANKEŞ enhances its deterrence posture against regional rivals, including Iran and non-state actors along its borders with Syria and Iraq. Its range and precision could complicate military planning for potential foes, offering Turkey a standoff capability previously reliant on imported systems like the US-made AGM-114 Hellfire. International observers have taken note of this advancement. The United States, a key NATO partner, has monitored Turkey's defense progress with a mix of cooperation and caution, given Ankara''s independent streak in arms development. Production of the KEMANKEŞ is underway at Baker's facilities in Istanbul, with plans to scale output to 100 units annually by 2026, according to industry sources. The missile's reliance on domestic components, over 90% of its parts are Turkish-made, mitigates vulnerabilities to sanctions, a lesson drawn from past disputes with Western suppliers. Testing will continue through 2025, with additional trials planned to evaluate its performance in adverse weather and electronic warfare environments. The successful test of the Bayraktar KEMANKEŞ stands as a testament to Turkey's engineering prowess and strategic foresight.